Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change a license plate bulb on a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So the plate light assembly is a plastic lens basically that snaps in. It's got two ears on it. So there's a slot right here, and you can put a flathead screwdriver in, and you're pushing the butterfly clip inward. And then you're going to pry it with your hand at the same time. See it? And then pull it straight out. That's how simple that is. Now this is, someone's been in here before. This plug is pretty well torn up. But there's a clip right there, and you're just going to want to pry on that clip and pull that out. Check for corrosion, which we have on this particular model. So this, you would need to get the whole harness. It's just a harness assembly. The manufacturer would sell that. And then you have your bulb assembly. So it's, once you have the lens in your hand, you're going to turn the socket counterclockwise, and you'll hear it click. And there is your plate light assembly. Just pull that bulb out. It's a 194 bulb. You can see it's all corroded in there. So for this particular vehicle, we're going to end up replacing the socket and the harness end. So if yours is in good shape, it's not green or corroded, you would just simply put the bulb back in or replace the bulb with a 194. Make sure it snaps in there. I'm going to reattach it to my lamp, the lens. I'm going to line up the larger with that slot, and then you can turn it clockwise till it locks. Reattach it, line it up with the lock, push it all the way in. Now if you have a good end, you're going to have an end like this. That's what it's going to look if it's not broken. And you push down on your thumb and pull that out. And reassemble it the same way until it locks in. So now that it's locked in, we're going to line up those ears, remembering that the lens, the clear lens, is, you want it aiming at the plate. I think Ford's nice enough to give you a bigger cutout here and a smaller cutout. So you're going to put the small one in, line it, place it together.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.